If this relationship stays the same, it doesn't change my profit and loss. It only changes when my relationship changes. It generally changes from price movement because the underlying curve moves, or from, if you want to make it more simple, just from a volatility thing. If I start getting a rise here and a drop here, I go underwater. If I start getting a drop here and a rise here, and the asset price is in the middle, I should say that, and the asset price is in the middle, then I get an increase in value. Now, depending on where the asset price is and how these rise and fall in relation to one another is going to give you a result in your gain and loss here. Okay, and that is everything. Basically, that is everything. Knowing what that is going on or what's likely to happen with that is going to determines whether or not you make money. That bottom line. Now, of course, we have actual delta from price movement as well that we have to throw into that. We do that, but if you're just playing the options game, that volatility number is everything, depending on how one reacts with the other. And then, of course, if you put different months in, it's how that volatility interacts with the position also. Right? That's basically everything.